Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of female psychology and sharing some mind-blowing psychological facts about women. Plus, we'll touch on how Stoicism can play a role in all of this. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Now, let's get started. Did you know that women, on average, tend to score higher in emotional intelligence than men? Emotional intelligence, or EQ, is the ability to understand and manage your own emotions, as well as recognize and influence the emotions of others. Studies show that women are generally more empathetic and better at reading emotional cues. This doesn't mean men can't be empathetic, but it highlights a trend observed in many psychological studies. This heightened empathy allows women to build strong social connections and support networks, which are crucial for mental well-being. Another interesting fact is about communication styles. Women often use communication to build relationships and express their feelings. They tend to use more descriptive language and are more likely to discuss emotions and personal experiences. This difference in communication style can sometimes lead to misunderstandings between genders. Men might focus more on facts and problem solving in conversations, while women might prioritize emotional connection and support. Let's talk about stress. Men and women handle stress differently. Women are more likely to engage in what's called the tend and befriend response. This means they seek social support and nurturing behaviors during stressful times. This is different from the fight or flight response more commonly observed in men. Understanding these differences can help us support each other better during tough times. Now, let's tie in Stoicism. Stoicism is a philosophy that teaches the development of self-control and fortitude as a means of overcoming destructive emotions. While it's often associated with being unemotional, true Stoicism is about understanding and managing emotions, not suppressing them. For women, incorporating Stoic principles can mean acknowledging their emotions without letting them take over. It's about finding balance, being empathetic and supportive, yet maintaining inner peace and resilience. Speaking of resilience, women have shown remarkable resilience throughout history. Whether it's balancing work and family, breaking through societal barriers, or supporting communities, women have consistently demonstrated incredible strength and adaptability. Psychological research suggests that social support and strong relationships, which women often excel at, are key factors in building resilience. Let's talk about cognitive abilities. Women are often praised for their multitasking skills. While the human brain can technically only focus on one task at a time, women tend to switch between tasks more efficiently. This ability is thought to be linked to the way women's brains are wired, allowing for better connectivity between the two hemispheres of the brain. This doesn't mean men can't multitask, but it's an interesting area of study in cognitive psychology. Psychological facts about women. Women generally exhibit higher levels of emotional intelligence (EQ) compared to men. Emotional intelligence involves the ability to recognize, understand, manage, and influence emotions, both one's own and others. Here are some key points. Women tend to be more empathetic. They are better at recognizing and understanding the emotions of others, which allows them to form deeper social connections. High EQ in women often translates to strong interpersonal skills, making them adept at communication and maintaining relationships. Women's communication styles often differ significantly from men's, emphasizing emotional expression and relational connection. Women typically use more descriptive and emotionally expressive language. They are more likely to share their feelings and experiences in conversations. Conversations among women often focus on building and nurturing relationships, rather than just exchanging information or solving problems. Women and men tend to respond differently to stress, influenced by both hormonal and social factors. While men often exhibit a fight or flight response to stress, women are more likely to engage in tend and befriend behaviors. This means they seek social support and create networks of care during stressful times. The hormone oxytocin, which is more prevalent in women, promotes bonding and social interactions, further supporting the tend and befriend response. There are notable differences in cognitive abilities and brain function between women and men. Research suggests that women have better connectivity between the two hemispheres of the brain. This might contribute to their ability to switch between tasks more efficiently, often perceived as better multitasking skills. Women generally have superior verbal memory and better recall of words and faces, which can be attributed to differences in brain structure and function. Women often approach risk and decision-making differently compared to men. Studies indicate that women tend to be more risk-averse. They are more likely to evaluate potential risks and outcomes thoroughly before making decisions. Women are more inclined to make decisions collaboratively, valuing input and consensus from others. Social connections and relationships are central to women's psychological well-being. Women often define themselves through their relationships with others. Their self-concept is closely tied to their roles as mothers, daughters, friends, and partners. Women typically maintain larger and more intimate social support networks. These networks are crucial for emotional support and stress management. Women's emotional expression and processing are distinct, and often more visible. Women are generally more expressive of their emotions. This expressiveness can be verbal, talking about feelings, and nonverbal through facial expressions and body language. Women are more likely to ruminate on their emotions, reflecting deeply on their feelings and experiences. While this can lead to greater emotional insight, it can also contribute to higher rates of anxiety and depression. Women display unique resilience in coping strategies. Women have shown remarkable adaptability in the face of changing social roles and expectations. This adaptability contributes to their psychological resilience. Women are more likely to use emotion-focused coping strategies, such as seeking social support and expressing their emotions. These strategies can be very effective in managing stress and promoting mental health. Hormones play a significant role in women's psychological experiences. These hormones influence mood and emotional regulation. Fluctuations in these hormones, such as during the menstrual cycle, pregnancy, and menopause, can affect mood and behavior. Often called the love hormone, oxytocin is associated with bonding, social interactions, and stress reduction. It plays a crucial role in women's social behaviors and emotional responses. Understanding mental health trends among women is crucial for providing appropriate support. Women are more likely to experience depression and anxiety compared to men. This can be attributed to a combination of hormonal, psychological, and social factors. Women are generally more likely to seek help for mental health issues, which can lead to earlier intervention and better outcomes. Women's psychological traits and behaviors are shaped by a complex interplay of biological, social, and cultural factors. Understanding these unique aspects can help us appreciate the diversity of human experiences and foster more empathetic and supportive environments for everyone. By acknowledging these differences, we can promote better mental health and well-being for women across all stages of life. Psychological facts about women. Mind-blowing facts about female psychology. Meet Sarah and Emily. Sarah is going through a tough time at work and needs someone to talk to. Emily, with her high emotional intelligence, immediately senses Sarah's distress. Emily listens intently, providing support and understanding without judgment. Women tend to score higher in emotional intelligence, which means they are often better at recognizing and managing emotions. Lesson learned: we can all benefit from practicing empathy. Next time a friend or family member is in need, be present and listen without interrupting. Your support can make a huge difference. Now, let's take a look at Laura in her workplace. Women often use communication to build relationships and express their feelings. Laura is sharing not just ideas but also how she feels about the project. Her approach fosters a collaborative environment, encouraging others to share openly as well. Lesson learned: effective communication isn't just about exchanging information. It's about connecting with others. Practice expressing your thoughts and feelings to build stronger relationships both at work and in your personal life. During stressful times, women are more likely to engage in tend and befriend behaviors. Here's Anna, organizing a support group meeting to help others cope with stress. Anna's initiative helps create a network of support, showing how collective efforts can ease individual stress. Lesson learned: build and maintain strong support networks. Whether it's family, friends, or community groups, having people to lean on during tough times can significantly improve your resilience. Women have shown remarkable resilience throughout history, balancing multiple roles and overcoming societal barriers. Meet Jane, a single mother who balances a demanding job with raising her 2 kids. Her resilience is supported by her strong social network and adaptive coping strategies. Jane's ability to adapt and seek support highlights the importance of resilience in community and overcoming life's challenges. Lesson learned: embrace resilience by being adaptable and seeking support when needed. Remember, it's okay to ask for help and lean on your community during difficult times. Here's Mary, a professional who exemplifies the cognitive abilities and multitasking skills often observed in women. Mary efficiently switches between tasks, demonstrating her exceptional organizational skills. Research suggests women have better connectivity between the brain's hemispheres, enhancing their ability to handle multiple tasks simultaneously. Lesson learned: improve your multitasking abilities by staying organized and prioritizing tasks. Use tools like to-do lists and planners to manage your time effectively. Meet Jessica, a financial advisor known for her cautious and thorough approach to decision-making. Women often evaluate risks more carefully, leading to well-considered and balanced decisions. Jessica's methodical approach ensures her clients are well-informed and confident in their choices. Lesson learned: approach decisions with careful consideration of all risks and benefits. Take your time to gather information and seek input from others to make informed choices. Sophia is navigating the emotional roller coaster of pregnancy. Hormonal fluctuations significantly influence women's moods and behaviors, but practices like mindfulness and self-care can help manage these changes. By acknowledging and addressing her emotional needs, Sophia maintains her well-being during this challenging time. Lesson learned: be mindful of how hormonal changes can affect your mood and behavior. Incorporate self-care practices such as meditation, exercise, and adequate rest to manage these fluctuations. What have we learned from these psychological facts about women? We've seen the importance of emotional intelligence, effective communication, stress management, resilience, cognitive skills, careful decision-making, and hormonal awareness. These insights not only help us understand women better, but also teach us valuable lessons we can apply in our own lives. By practicing empathy, building strong support networks, staying organized, making informed decisions, and taking care of our emotional well-being, we can all lead happier and more balanced lives. If you found this video interesting, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for joining this exploration of women's psychology and Stoicism. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. In the comments below, share your thoughts. What are some surprising things you've learned about women's psychology? Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of the human mind.